We may not have the Florida swamps or the Gobi Desert, but we do have pockets of real wilderness. At their heart are wildlife communities that prosper not despite the difficult conditions, but because of them. And how they've turned this challenge to their advantage, how they live at the very edge, is the story of Wilderness Britain.
I'm 4,000 feet above sea level, flying over the Cairngorms, the highest and most extensive mountain range in Britain. The average temperature on the tops here is around about freezing. Snow falls 100 days a year, and the snow beds can remain on the ground right the way through the summer. It's bitterly cold, incredibly windy, and one of the harshest places in our land, but to some wildlife, it's home. I'm not just here for a joyride. I've come up in a glider to find out how one of the most iconic animals of the British wilderness manages to make a living in one of the harshest parts of our country.
This is the domain of the golden eagle. It stays here all year because there's a well-stocked freezer down below. Life here is a constant battle against the cold, a fight that some animals lose. We think of eagles as majestic hunters, but in winter they often stoop to scavenge for a living. But even dead animals still have to be found. Like my glider, the eagle relies on updrafts to carry it high enough to scan the ground below.
From up here I can see for miles, but the eyesight of the golden eagle is 10 times better than mine, and it uses its incredible eyesight to spot easy pickings.
In a way, the eagle uses the freezing weather to its advantage, because the cold kills the frail and infirm, ensuring that the eagle itself can make it through some of the harshest weather experienced by any animal in the British Isles.